Well, in this fast-paced modern age of transactional interactions, wouldn't it be a welcome change to experience the virtues of empathy and care? Well, today, let's speak to an organization that keeps care at the center of all they do for their customers, so much so that the company has transitioned to a name it believes is the true representation of what they do best, Care. Without much ado, let's get to know more about the newly rebranded Care Health Insurance. Listen.
Religare Health Insurance will now be called Care Health Insurance. It's a simple transition, but it's an effective one. And I have with me Mr. Anuj Gulati, who's the founding managing director and CEO at Care Health Insurance. It's a simpler name, Anuj, but what's the thought behind it and the transition that Religare has now made?
Thank you, Niranjan. Care is the center of what we stand for as a business, as a health insurance specialist. What we take pride in is offering affordable healthcare access to our customers. Further, from a product delivery standpoint, we've gone much beyond healthcare financing to now offering wellness services, outpatient services, doctor consultations, diagnostics, and so on and so forth. And we believe Care is a much better representation of the entire set of services that we offer our customers. And hence this desire, this thought to rather call ourselves Care Health Insurance.
Yeah. How, does it change anything for the end customer, Anuj?
No. For the end customer, we remain the same. Only the name changes. So right from their policy number, their health card, their hospital network, their toll-free number, except they have to now visit careinsurance.com. Everything else remains the same.
Right. You know, Anuj, we're coming out of a pandemic and expectations have changed. Insurance has changed for so many people in so many ways. I mean, so many people are now beginning to realize the importance of insurance, for example. In that sense, how has this entire COVID episode changed the way your company functions?
So like all businesses, we've had to, of course, keep the interest of our customers in mind, as well as the interest of our employees in mind. So most of our employees for the first couple of months have worked from home, but we take pride in the fact that thanks to all the investments that we made in digital assets, our customers could reach out to us, they could get their claim serviced. Simply, they could take a photograph of the claim-related documents, upload it onto a mobile app, and we would settle their claims within 48 hours. Even if they wanted to go to a hospital and wanted authorization on their cashless hospitalization, we were able to give all these authorizations within 2 hours. So from a servicing standpoint, we take pride in the fact that we've been able to, there's been continuity of all our services. Rather, we've been able to reduce the turnaround times for our customers in that sense.
Okay.
But I think more importantly, what it has done for us for all times to come is bring this whole thing about care at the center of the way we deal with our customers, whether pandemic or otherwise. We are here, we are available 24/7, and customers can depend on us, and we will be there to service their requirements.
Yeah, that's in a nutshell what you do, but tell us a little more about, because you're stressing on the word care, the entire brand imaging, positioning has changed around Care, the word Care. For your existing customer base, if you could tell us a little more about the Care experience and how you will be delivering it maybe better in the months and years to come.
Yes, of course. Care by definition is compassion. Care by definition is that when you need us, we will be there for you. Right? We've taken pride in this being a value of that our company has stood by for the last many years. We've handled over 23 lakh claims as a company. We today have a pan-India footprint of about 11,000 healthcare providers where customers can walk in and get cashless service for their claims and so on and so forth. So that's what we stand for. And now, thanks to digital assets, technology, thanks to artificial intelligence and so on and so forth, we are trying to move all of this to instant claims approvals and so on and so forth. so that customers at the time of need don't have to wait. If they have our policy, they can walk into a healthcare service provider who is on our network and on an instant basis get an approval, get their treatment and instant approval and be able to get a discharge from the hospital and so on and so forth. Right? And as I said, go beyond just hospitalization. Wellness, preventive services. If they wanted to consult doctors, we have products for that now. Preventive health checkups, diagnostic services. So it's much beyond traditional health insurance, and that is where CARE steps in. That we bring the whole ecosystem of healthcare-related services for our customers, and so that they can worry-free be able to get servicing from us.
Great. Anuj, all the very best to CARE Insurance in this new journey ahead.